Hi, I'm Professor Claire Taylor and I'm Deputy Vice-Chancellor here at Wrexham Glyndŵr University. And our approaches to learning and teaching are founded on our university values of being accessible, supportive, innovative and ambitious.
Hi, my name's Liz Morley. I'm a second year history student studying at Wrexham Glyndŵr University. I'm finding the blended learning really helpful. I'm a single parent. I also work, so it's helping me to juggle my life. The teaching has been really helpful. You can concentrate more on the actual subject rather than going off on a tangent. For me, it's much better.
I'm Luke Major. I'm studying Master Engineering in Renewable and Sustainable Energy. I always knew that it's going to be hard to adjust in-class learning into current situation. So far, presentations on screen work similar for me like in a classroom. It allows as well for a quite good contact with a teacher.
Hello, my name is Simona Petrova and I'm a student at Glyndŵr University doing a Master of Business Administration course. I really like my personal tutor. She's very open to everybody. When we have any questions, she's always there to answer. This is why our university is really good, because it's a small and friendly university. We are not too many students here, and tutors are always open for questions. They are always ready to answer.
My name is Emir Owen and I'm studying a master's degree in computer science. So the blended approach, it's actually worked quite well. We've still had direct contact with the lecturers a lot of the time. When the lecture hasn't been available, they've put stuff on Moodle for us as well to look over, to recap the lecture as well. They also tend to be recording the lecture sometimes as well, and then put that for us to go back and have a look back in case you've missed something. It's definitely been better to keep the campus open. They've still had access to the facilities and the resources that are available.
The active learning framework is flexible and accessible. Our assessment approaches are innovative. And most of all, our learning and teaching approaches are engaging and creative.